What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn how to sew a combat pocket with zipper. As you can see, I have two pocket fabric. One is plain, the other one has design. In case you want to learn how to stylishly design your combat pocket, I already made a video on that. The first thing I have to do is to sew a small fabric at the corner of my zipper, and I'm using black color because black is the best color that blends better with the rest colors. I'll be adding another small fabric at the other side of the zipper. We will be doing it step by step, no rushing. And now I'm cutting another fabric which I am going to use to sew around my pocket fabric. I just realized my zipper fabric is too wide. I have to trim it. So now we are good to go. The next step is to sew your pocket side material at the opening of your zipper. I will also do the same thing at the other end of the zipper. You can see how easy it looks, and I believe you can do better. It's time to join our zipper to the pocket fabric. I'll be sewing around the pocket fabric. In order to avoid error, I had to stop there and start stitching from another side. The next thing is to turn the zipper outward and the entire pocket outward. You can see how neat it looks, and I believe you can do better if you try. For my combat pocket to be firm, I have to sew at the front edge of my pocket fabric. I'll be sewing around the pocket fabric. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified of new design videos. We have finally come to the end. The next thing is to sew the combat pocket on top of your shirt. I'm marking out with chalk to make sure the combat pocket is straight when joining it to my shirt. Just fold the end of your pocket fabric and sew round. Now I'm done sewing it round. You can see how clean the work is. Please make sure you rate this at the comment section, and I'll reply you as soon as I see it. Thanks for watching.